what's going on, guys? Got some New Religion merch on, but I don't know how today's gonna go. I'm not gonna lie, I need to record. Consistency is key. You already know the vibes. And listen, man, listen. Motherfucker, woo! Motherfucking Wingstop. Thank God for Wingstop. He's just probably bad, like genetically modified or some shit, but the lemon pepper bone in. Oh my God. Wait, hold on, I don't think. Oh, just so flavorful. Oh my God. Bussin'. The day is going as planned as I figured. I kind of went with the role of not knowing how the day was gonna go, but right now, one of my boys that from like a long time ago, like a throwback video. I'm gonna drop a clip in right now. To a fucking
a Chevy Sonic. This shit boosted though, bro.
Dead ass?
No, I'm lying.
Oh, it's shot, bro.
What's my car? He was wrong. Damn, son.
I crashed them shits.
I need a.
Don't you see all these cars I'm
I said throw it in the shop.
Nigga, don't you see there's a whole car in there?
But yeah, that's my guy Rafa right there, man. He taught me a lot about Hondas, like building motors, transmissions, and stuff like that. Like OG to this shit. Yeah, so we about to go. We about to see how that goes, cause we about to head to U-Haul. I'm about to get another trailer for the truck and see what's up with that. So let's see how that goes, man. About to head there right now. About to hop on the Bronx River and head to Allerton right now, cause I'm on 241st. If you're familiar with the Bronx. And yeah, so that's what we about to do. We just got to the U-Haul on Allerton. Y'all seen these people over here? They was hustling and stuff. Like, they're not hustling like trying to get people's money. Like, they legit trying to like work for like their money and stuff. But I respect that. I'm not gonna lie. Like, that's a good hustle. Like, very good hustle, man. I mean, I respect it because they're not out here robbing nobody. But this headline is blowing my. I'm so sorry, but yeah, they're not robbing nobody. They getting the honest money, man. Like, they're not. You feel me? Like, they doing it. A Silverado, Chevrolet Silverado. They giving you bullshit, viejo?
It doesn't come out as Duramax. It's 2500, right?
It's a Chevrolet Silverado.
Oh, that's
what I'm saying. Fuck, niggas calling this shit a fucking 2004 Duramax. It's a Chevrolet Silverado. So right now, these niggas making me put this shit on. This is difficult, bro. I don't know why. I gotta fix this shit. Where is it at? I gotta fix it, cause like I gotta take the screws out and shit and put it right here, cause the shit, it's on some dumb shit. Like, I gotta sneak it through. I think I'm gonna do that later though, cause yeah, that shit is annoying. So instead of getting a full car trailer, we got the dolly. And I hate dollies. They make so much damn noise. But we got Viejo right there. We got the dolly connected, so yeah, hopefully that car rolls. But fuck it if we didn't get the full car trailer. From a dig? You don't you don't want it from a dig? You want it from a dig?
Nigga.
You want it from a dig? Nah, that shit is out. Yo, oh, I'm bugging. I got the trail on the. He's out, nigga. Nah, that bike is out.
I got money.
Nigga, you just got a ticket.
You gotta pay to play.
That's slow shit. Huh?
This ain't my plate.
That isn't?
Somebody had to take it, not me.
Look.
Bro, I just didn't give you all the information. But I didn't say nothing that was wrong. I say it's Houston.
Yeah,
Houston,
but now you're saying second.
But you know Houston's dumb long. So you should have been like,
Yeah.
alright, Houston's dumb long. That's like when I be like, that's why when I go buy something off of Facebook, you know what I hit him with? I'd be like, yo, where you located? The Bronx. I'm like, I'll Google how big is the Bronx. It'll say 400 miles. I'm like, yo, Bronx is 400 miles big.
Bronx is 400 miles big?
Nah, I'm just, that's an
Wow.
example, but I hit him with the facts and they feel stupid.
So now we gotta go all the way to Houston. We gotta go all the way to 2nd, you said. And we on West 151st Street. Tell you about these old niggas, man.
149 blocks. I go 149, we count each one. With a counter.
Still?
No.
Damn, 2017.
That was that night.
That house used to, I feel like that photo used to move.
The phone that shows the paper clip.
You skipping through the video, that's why my watch time don't go up. Cause the niggas like, you look at you. That's why my shit. Nigga,
I be triple
look.
tapping that shit. I be quadruple tapping the nigga.
Quick pit stop in the city. Damn, viejo, you was hungry? Look, why you get out this shit so fast?
Yeah, nigga.
Why you get out this shit so fast? I'm about to get a dollar slice. About to bust down a dollar slice.
Yo, no pizza, bro, with balls. No pizza, bro.
Yo, you getting old. Yeah, damn. One thing about New York, my nigga. Slices, my boy. Cheese slice. Oh, shit hot. So we made it to the city. Now we're about to, I think with this shit, you pull like a pin and then it leans or some shit like that. Oh no, I don't remember exactly, bro. I hate driving with dollies, like them shits are so annoying. I think you just pop these up, right? And it's not lowered or anything, so that's a good thing too. That is an absolutely splendid thing. That one. You ever told the other Civic, the purple Civic with the CRV?
Nigga, I told CRVs with Civics.
You sold what?
I told you
Drop
CRVs with Civics. I forgot.
How am I gonna ask him?
When you see him, nigga.
He's probably drunk right now.
Oh, you excited?
Now go get that piece of shit and drop it up.
Battery pack.
City for real, for real. Look at that. Look. In the city working. I'm at my place, shit came down though, so I mean I should be good because New York did some funny shit now. So apparently after 60 something street you gotta pay to go in like the city and stuff, and that's crazy. So they call it congestion tax or something. I'll post that on social media. The only way you're gonna prevail in life is if you promote yourself. Fuck who sees you, fuck who don't. Just keep promoting yourself. That's all that matters, right? So it don't look like it's going as planned. Let's see. Let's see what's happening, man. What happened, viejo? Huh?
I was starting my little jump at the size of an iPhone. And
What happened?
nothing.
It's not charged?
I don't know.
That shit dead. What the fuck wrong with this shit?
Nigga, for that I would have brought my little piece of shit. It would have gave it the momentum. I mean, it sparked.
But I don't know, that booster pack was, it always did that though. I don't know why.
You don't got one in your Duramax?
Nah, I could see if I could charge it with it.
Oh no, you don't got cables?
Nah.
If
Yeah.
it starts?
You don't have a booster pack, right?
No, I don't have.
Yeah, you didn't even got cables. Nigga, I would have brought all that shit.
I didn't know. I thought that shit was good, nigga. That shit was on the charger all night.
Yeah, but you didn't know it was good. You just said.
No.
Oh, picking you up, it looks like.
Cause I always use this shit. We gonna have to push it?
Yeah, but you still want to put it down there, or you want to just fucking take up all the traffic? I mean, it's not that heavy of a bitch. The wheels is low, so that's gonna make it feel heavier.
Oh. Oh, so he might have a booster pack.
You can't check if you got cables. Maybe you got cables.
Oh, we could just follow him. That's a booster pack? Oh no, you gotta have the, that's a inverter or something. You gotta push this piece of shit because it's dead.
Yo, I think the key
I'm saying I didn't record it.
Look, but look how easy that shit is. That shit's a, look, that little plastic.
Alright.
They know how to steal prices.
Car all loaded up. We out here?
Yeah.
You said what? Alright, about to head back. No, I'm good. This car's behind me. See what you're saying again?
I'm saying though, nigga, I'm gonna put that shit like 4-cylinder at that.
Great on gas.
Oh yeah.
Damn, you know it's a winter in New York. 3 or 4 grand?
Yeah, it's one of them prices. I gotta see how the market is. Right now, the market for a fresh one, like a regular used one, nigga, is 6.
So you could post it for 5. Post it up for 6 and then have niggas lowball you. Or they won't even look that way because it's that price.
Yeah. Nah, I'm gonna do like 4. I'm gonna do 5, then in a month 4, then in a month.
That's the only thing I don't like about this shit though, it don't stop. But we're on 69th Street. Hey, yo. 69.
Snitch Street.
Damn, that light is bright. I need that shit, but I don't know. I don't like the dolly because the dolly make the truck go like boop, 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 like that. But it's getting the job done in the city right now. Beggars can't be choosers. That's our destination. Truck put in pain per usual. You know the vibes. So now we just gotta wait for this dumb nigga to fucking do this shit. But I mean, we whole trailer, dolly putting in work. Feel me? Like it ain't that bad. But yeah. If you're an OG to my channel, you probably remember this CRV. That's crazy. That's crazy. This is the OG CRV right here. OG.
That's like pussy. They be loving me. Yeah, so
You be saying some bullshit. YouTube how to park a trailer. Fuck you and fuck this bum ass Compass.
Damn, niggas already saying fucking compass.
Facts.
You just got this shit already saying fucking compass. God. This shit gonna shut off every 10 seconds. Go, now.
So it's up to you to drive it quick.
No, that's when it shuts it quicker. When you accelerate it harder. Because it's asking for more spark.
The more you know.
Ding, ding, ding.
You gotta stop playing the work each other again, right?
Bumble clock.
Have a good night, bro.
Malcolm X over there.
Huh?
Malcolm X over
Nigga race.
there. That nigga cop Booster Boys is racist. Don't put that on YouTube.
Huh? You said what?
What do you mean?
You said what? Wait, so tell him, wait, don't put it on yet.
No. That's not gonna suck again until I start the car.
Yeah. Yeah, he'll go. Bro, you can't drive without a mirror? What happened? You was talking shit about my booster pack. What happened?
Chill.
What happened? You was talking shit about my booster pack. What happened? So now niggas gotta push the shit now because your booster pack was the truth.
Let me see. Was the truth?
Was. That shit is on.
Definitely sucking it. I got you.
Started? Hell no, the light is dim. Where's the key?
Look at my hand, nigga, here. Yeah, when I start coming here.
$177. He was talking so much shit about my booster pack. Nigga, this piece of shit won't start. Look like we gonna have to push this. Like the good old days, nigga. Rafa, man. It's like the triple OG to the third power. But I'm about to move my truck up. Drag my truck up, matter of fact. So that we could just reverse up. And then just do it that way, you feel me? Feel me? So, oh, that big ass ride. Yo, why the cats don't chase after the rides? Yo, look. Nigga, look at that shit. Yo. Nah, I need to get out of here.
Lock the door, lock the door.
Huh? Oh, it's locked. Booster pack. Ah, niggas in New York is wild. Look at that. Why his plate like that? Look. Back to the crib, drop the trailer off. I think somebody might be coming to pick up the Benz today, so if he does, I'm gonna put that in the video. If not, disregard this message. Outside. Mr. Ass Crack himself. Damn, that bike is kind of sexy though. Way Viejo back outside. Duramax put in work. End of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, share, subscribe.